Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. With your image open, go to the top menu and click on Image. Then select Image Size. This will bring up the Image Size dialog box. Check the drop-down menu next to the width and height fields. Here, you can choose the measurement units such as pixels, inches, and more. Pick the one that suits your needs. In the width and height fields, you can enter the new dimensions for your image. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio, make sure the chain link icon between the width and height fields is activated. Next, if you need to change the resolution, you can do that in the resolution field. This is useful if you're resizing for print and need a specific DPI. Then, click OK. Photoshop will resize your image according to your settings. And that's it! You've successfully resized your image in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.